Good day, Sir Ma'am. My name is Abigail Lee Magno, 29 years old, a single parent with one child, college level. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family.
Hello, Ms. Magno. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes,
In what country?
Malaysia.
So, how many members of the family that you serve?
3,
How many children?
2,
How old are children when you begin to work there?
8 and 6.
So, do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Can you tell me the way of baby caring?
Feed them, take a bath, play with them, teach them with their homework, and tell stories.
So, aside from that, what is your main duties?
Cleaning, washing, iron with clothes, and cooking.
Okay, so can you sing a children's song?
Yes.
Can you please try?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a game.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes.
Can you describe your personal character?
Hardworking, honest, loyal, friendly.
So how do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I will follow the rules and regulation of my employer, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Magno.
Thank you.